Hi, this is Judo is not a monkey. Now I realize it's been quite a while since I've done a live video. Don't think since like January. Anyways, well, I know for those of you who have watched my videos, especially my belching videos, this is belching part 6, I believe. It's been far too long, and well, I guess, here it goes. Okay. Oh, and just so you know, this, all these belches, only from a single small bowl of Cheerios. Yeah, true story. Multi-grain Cheerios, that is. Fuck yeah, motherfucker! Well, thank you. This has been Belching Part 6, I think. Unless Belching Part... I don't know. Anyway, this is Judo is not a monkey. Signing off. Hope you have enjoyed this